Welcome to SAKmods. Got an 84mm build here for you guys with red Cellidor Scales. Got the black tweezer and toothpick on this one. We'll start in the back here. It does have a corkscrew, and the corkscrew tools do fit in the 84mm corkscrews. This one is the eyeglasses flathead tip. We've got the large blade. Tools have been acid etched and brass washed. Got the small blade. Everything very sharp. Let's check. Oh yeah. Get rid of that hair. And the can opener with small flathead tip there. And the combo tool with the large flathead tip, bottle cap opener, and wire stripper. Nice snap. Nice. Alright folks, that's going to do it for this one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.